And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to import contacts from Excel to Google Contact. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to import contacts from Excel to Google Contact, you can export your Excel contact to a CSV file, then import the CSV file into Google Contact. For this, you need to tap on a web browser or a Google Contact app and simply open it. Once you have opened Google Contact, you need to tap on the hamburger-like icon on the top left-hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you can find an import option. So simply tap on import, then tap on select file. After doing this, choose the CSV file you have created and click on import. Then you need to follow the prompts to map the columns correctly and then wait for the Google Contacts to process and import your contacts. Once the import is complete, you will also receive an information message. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.